Hello guys. I did manage a comeback, but it was a struggle. I did have to take a huge gamble on soccer to try and get back on some reasonable amount. Remember, I was left with only 1k yesterday, so that was a disaster. Okay, it was only my second day back, and then aviator was already showing me frames. Yeah, so I am currently at 8k, not at the 10k that I had, but it's much better than what I had yesterday on my last video. So I've decided to play a bit safe now, guys. Remember, I was starting with 10 runs on my previous videos. Let me dial it down a bit and use 10 because aviator is not kind. Aviator is not kind. For the guys that play this game by predictions, I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know how you guys do it, but aviator is too much, man. Although I can say my strategy is good, but it's not aviator proof. Yeah. So yeah, just make the little that you can make and then run. Otherwise, aviator will show you frames. So today I'm just going to try to aim for at least a 10 minute video, at least 15 minutes, and then I'll see how much I have by then, and then I'll call the video. Just wanted to show you guys that I did manage to get back up, because there was no way I was going to deposit another 10k, guys. There was no way. So what did I play? I'll show you the ticket just now. I did play Barcelona versus Atletico Madrid. I played 8 corners there. And then there was a second game in Italy, Napoli versus Inter Milan. Also, again, I went for 8 corners. And then I went to Portugal to play Benfica. Was it Porto or Sporting? I'm not sure which one I was playing. And then I played both of those teams, and then I staked about 3k, which gave me at the end about 6k. So yeah. Then from there I've managed to go up again to the 8k that we have right now. Okay, so it was a struggle, but I did manage to get out of the other end safe and sound. Yeah, but we do post videos like this, guys, for you to know the dangers that aviator pose. Yeah, aviator is dangerous. 1 minute it might be going all well, and then the next it all just goes south. The double ping strategy, guys, I think I will stop that for now, or play it, but do not chase the money if I lose. Okay, but it's hard not to chase 100 if you place 100 runs and then it's gone like that. So yeah, you tend to try and win it back, because maybe you see the pattern is good and all that stuff, but then it turns out it's just a disaster most of the time. Let me be brave for once and go for 10 runs, because we are in 4 minutes. We are 4 minutes into the video. We've made about 70 runs. So let's try and maybe put a little fuel on that. Yesterday we had a purple train followed by a blue train. then it was disaster. Okay. Oh, I was gonna say that one's looking promising. Okay, just reached that. 40 runs. Ooh, so close. This might be a start of a very bad round, as I've said. This might be a start to a very bad round. Let me go with 160. I think it has begun. Okay. Lucky enough. It was lucky enough. It looks like a good screen, but I think it's turning, guys. It's turning. I'm going to have to run, otherwise I might find myself knee deep in trouble. Might have to run. Okay. Have you noticed this pattern, guys? You have your 2,07x, 1,4. So it's purple blue, purple blue, purple blue. Have you noticed that pattern? And then when you try to follow it, it just goes south again. Because this is supposed to be blue by the look of the pattern, but it's purple. So this thing of trying to read patterns is difficult. It's difficult. But it works for some. Let me see what the Panthers are saying. The scammers are all over the place. Look at this. Oh, look at this one. I think the pattern's changing. I think the pattern is it changing for good or worse? I don't know, but I think the pattern is changing. You see, if they give you a big number, that most of the time means that the pattern is changing, so you have to be very careful. Yeah. Okay, let's man back. Should we aim for 150 at least, or 200? Let's see. Let's try and see if we can make 200 at least. It's gonna be challenging. That's gonna be challenging. The pattern is changing. It seems not for good. Okay, at least we are still alive. So we've made about 150 in about 9 minutes. And remember, we're playing it very safe. So that's a good amount to make. So if we're making around that much every day, at the end of the month you'll have about 4.5. Yeah. Remember, that's how we do it. We accumulate daily to try and then see how much we make at the end of a month. So 150 times 30 days, that's about 4.5. Okay, hopefully this is a good pattern. Hopefully it is a purple train starting up. Oh yes, okay. Oh yes, looking good. I'm going to aim for about 30 runs and then I'll break out of here. I'm good with 200 for now. Okay, that's a lose. Come on. I'll take 200 for today. If I do in fact survive, okay, promising this. Oh my god, I jinxed it again. I jinxed it again. Come on, man. Yo. Yo. 160. Yeah. Is this the one? Yeah. I've just missed it. Ah, God. I have just missed it. Ah, this might be bad. This might be bad. Oof. Yeah. Okay. We did manage to make that 200 we were looking for. But yeah, guys, aviator will die young because of this thing. Alright, let me call the video here, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you always.